Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting lesson. We want to simplify this exponential expression. How do we simplify this? What is the final value for this expression? How do we simplify this is what we are going to be looking at in this video. So to simplify this kind of exponential expression, so our question is 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 3 to the power of 10 multiplied by 6 to the power of 5 over 18 to the power of 4 multiplied by 12 to the power of 3. Solution to this problem is we want to break this down to the lowest term. So we simplify this into the lowest term. So we want to make sure that every basis is between 2 and 3, base 2 and base 3. So from our question, we have 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 3 to the power of 10 multiplied by 6 to the power of 5. Everything over 18 to the power of 4 multiplied by 12 to the power of 3. This is simplified as 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 3 to the power of 10 multiplied by, so we simplify this as 2 multiplied by 3, that will be to the power of 5, and that is over 18 can as well be written as 2 multiplied by 3, and we can put that to the power of 2, okay, into brackets, and that will be to the power of 4. So that will multiply by this as well, which can be written as 2 to the power of 2, then multiply by 3, everything into brackets to the power of 3. So this will give us 2 to the power of 12 multiplied by 3 to the power of 10 multiplied by, so this exponent will be multiplied with the basis in the bracket. So we have 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5, everything over. From the denominator, we also have this to be multiplied with this 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by, so if we multiply this 2 times 4 will give us 3 to the power of 8, then multiply by 2, this 2 multiplied by 3 will give us 2 to the power of 6 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3. Okay, we have simplified all the denominator and the numerator to the lowest basis within 2 and 3. Now we now collect the like times, and we simplify both the numerator and denominator. So we have 2 to be merged together, 3 to be merged together from the numerator and the denominator. So to do that, we use this identity, a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n is written as a to the power of m multiplied by n. So if we use this identity, it makes it more easier to simplify. So we can now collect the like terms. From the numerator, we have 2 to the power of 12 to be added with 5, that is 2 to the power of 5, that will be multiplied by 3 to the power of 10, then plus 5. For the numerator and denominator as 2 to the power of 4 plus 6, then multiply by 3 to the power of 8 plus 3. now be equal to, if we add this together, we have 2 to the power of 17 multiplied by 3 to the power of 15 over 2 to the power of 10, then 3 to the power of, that's 11. The whole of these can now be written as 2 to the power of 17 over 2 to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 to the power of 15 over 3 to the power of 11. So simplifying this, we have that will be equal to 2 to the power of 17 minus 10 multiplied by 3 to the power of 15 minus 11. And this is equal to 2 to the power of 7 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4. So this can now be written as equal to 2 to the power of 7 is given as 128 multiplied by 3 to the power of 4 is given as 81. Now here, this means that we can split this as equal to 128 into bracket 80 plus 1. So here we have this to be equal to 128 multiplied by 80 plus 128 multiplied by 1. 128 multiplied by 80 plus 128. So here we can write this as equal to 80 into bracket 100 plus 20 plus 8 into bracket 80 equal to 80 into bracket 100 plus 20 plus 8 then plus 128. So from here we have that 80 here can be written as 8 multiplied by 10. So we can multiply this 8 with what we have in the bracket. So we have 100 plus 20 plus 8 then plus 128. So if we multiply this 8 with what we have in the bracket, we have that to be equal to 10 into bracket 800 plus 8 multiplied by 20, we have 160. 8 multiplied by 8, we have 64. Then plus 128. Now from here, this will be equal to 10 multiplied by, so if we add the whole of this together, we have 10 into bracket 1024 into bracket plus 128. So if we multiply this with this, we have 10240 plus 128. So adding both of these together will give us 10368, and this will be the final answer of the simplification of this exponential expression. Hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like it, share it, subscribe to this channel with all notification bell turned on, and then share the video to your loved ones as well. and I'll see you in another interesting one. Stay safe and bye for now.